So the session today was in order to familiarise the people at the port of different professions and different departments within the port, whether that be operational, administrative or strategic, of the potential applications of virtual reality for training, particularly safety training, things like workplace familiarization, working at heights, working in confined spaces, and dealing with things like fire. We were also showing them how it could be used for their new plans for expansion into hydrogen. All of these, as you will have noticed, are quite hazardous forms of training, quite hazardous environment training. So it's a difficult one to train people in practically. Particularly as in many cases, it's not safe to train people in that practically. So what we were doing was getting across how this can be done initially in virtual reality to familiarize people, make them safer, make them better, make them more aware before bringing them into the actual physical environments. Went down very well, and I was actually working with everybody from IT to HR to actual dockyard workers and people who are working with heavy machinery and crane drivers. All of them fed back that they'd seen the potential value of this and potential benefit of. And actually all of them ended up signing up for further training with us next week, where we'll be delivering Train the Trainer training, so that they can not only pick this up, but actually be able to impart it later on with the equipment that we have found and sourced and will be installing for them in the port, so that they can actually have all the gear that they need to deliver it, including things like this, which is a vibro feedback vest. It means that you can feel what's happening to you in virtual reality rather than just seeing and hearing it. So great day, very successful, very glad we came.
Announcing VR safety workshops, May 27th to 29th. Practice emergency protocols safely. These 3-hour sessions are led by industry-leading instructors, covering hazard identification and emergency protocols, all without real-world danger.